Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll cover how to pick a sales order and manage sales order picking in C2W Inventory. SO picking. You can pick an open sales order from the Manage Sales Order screen and navigate to the Picking List screen, or go directly to the Picking List screen. Navigate to Sales Manage Sales Order, search for the sales order you are ready to pick, and click the Pick SO button to navigate to the Picking List screen. Alternatively, you can go to Sales Picking List. On the Picking List screen, search and pick by SO number. First, select an item to pick. Second, modify the quantity to pick, if needed. By default, it matches the open ordered quantity. Third, the system will default to the location with the most inventory. This can be changed if necessary. Lastly, click the Pick button. There is also an option to pick all items in one sales order at once by clicking the Pick All Items button. The item's inventory will be deducted from the location once the sales order is picked. Verification of inventory deduction can be performed on the Manage Item screen or Current Stock screen. We also offer an auto sales picking function as part of the paid plan. With this advanced feature, the system automatically handles the picking process whenever a sales order is created, immediately updating your inventory levels and closing the order. This feature is suitable for businesses that do not require a manual picking process and can close the order right after creating the sales order. Manage SO picking. The Manage SO picking screen is used to search for SO picking records by date range, SO number, or item number. From this screen, users can determine how many items were picked during the selected date range. Additionally, users can unpick an SO on this screen. When an SO is unpicked, the inventory will be increased, and the unpick activity will be recorded in the inventory movement. Up next, we'll cover how to create and manage shipments.